So, out of curiosity, then, what did you and your partner do for a company with access to $800 million? Was this that same company?
No, this was a different company. This company is
Okay.
in the Tampa, Florida area where I live.
All right.
My partner had a relationship with them, and he knew I was very good at analyzing stocks very fast. So he brought me in and said, this company has access to $800 million. They want to buy a public company, REIT, a real estate investment trust. Can you help me analyze them or these stocks? And so I said, yeah, and we built a plan. And so we went through every single, and I don't remember how many there were because this was a few years ago, every single public company REIT that fit their category or fit their criteria. And then we presented to them our findings. Excuse me. So that deal, my partner and I both on that are very transparent and honest with people. We're not financial people, like I've said on here a bunch of times, who just want to make money off of people. And we told them, we don't recommend you buy any of these because either they're all terrible, just outright awful, like we wouldn't recommend you buying them no matter what, or they are in such bad shape that you'd have to do a complete turnaround on the company, sell a ton of assets, sell a ton of their real estate to make it even worth it. And we said, unless you want to put in a ton of work and do that kind of stuff, we wouldn't recommend you buy any of these companies. So that's what we advise them on in that situation.
How did they take that? Out of curiosity.
They appreciated it. And me and my partner, again, it wasn't really a decision for us, but going through it with other people that I was telling about the deal, and they were like, they're kind of doing the math in their head, and they're like, but you could have made literally 10, 20, $30 million off of this. If you would help them buy a company. Mm-hmm. And both me and my partner said, yeah, we could have, but then we would have burned our relationship probably forever because they would have bought something that was terrible. So it wasn't worth it in the short term to make that kind of money, because I'm thinking, again, I say this when I'm looking at stocks, anything 5, 10, 20 years down the road. That's what my time frame is. I'm thinking over the long term. So we didn't want to burn that bridge. And frankly, we're just the type of people that we would feel gross about it, even if we did.
Yeah. Now, have they come back yet to do any more business with you since, or not yet?
No, not yet. I don't know if they will, but I'd be willing to help them again if they are.
Fingers crossed.